Hello everyone, I am Sharvari Kulkarni, Chief Technical Officer at BDG Life Sciences. I have 13 years of experience in the field of computational biology, in which my area of specialization include all the tools of basics and advanced bioinformatics, practical molecular docking and MD simulation on all platforms. Unique features of our program are personal attention and hands-on experience. I'm very glad to inform you that I will be the resource person for conducting this program, and I'm proudly saying that I have 5 years of consistent 100% feedbacks for the programs that I conduct. System requirements for joining this workshop will be any desktop or laptop with i3 or above, or Windows 10 or above. In this program, we will be learning from day one installation of the softwares which are required for performing GROMACS simulations, installation of the softwares which are required for protein and ligand preparation, topology file preparation, solvation, ionization, minimization, equilibration, phase 1, phase 2. So guys, if you are planning to pursue your career in computer aided designing, please join this workshop and get yourself expertise in MD simulation. See you there.